Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Nothing beats the comfort of a warm bowl of soup with bold taco flavors. Taco soup blends the best of both worlds, slow-cooked richness in a fraction of the time. It's become a go-to for weeknights, potlucks, and everything in between because it's easy, adaptable, and packed with crowd-pleasing taste. Born from the love of Tex-Mex flavors and the convenience of pantry staples, this dish has found its way into countless kitchens. Whether you load it with toppings or keep it simple, it's a guaranteed hit. Let's dive into what makes this recipe a winner every time. The perfect recipe for taco soup. Taco soup is one of those dishes that feels homemade but comes together with minimal effort. The secret lies in balancing hearty ingredients with bold spices, creating layers of flavor that keep you coming back for more. Whether you're craving a quick weeknight meal or prepping for a gathering, this recipe delivers every time. Essential ingredients for authentic flavor. The magic of taco soup starts with a solid foundation of ingredients that work together to build depth. Here's what you'll need. Ground beef. Adds richness and texture. Brown it well for extra flavor. Beans, black or pinto. Provide protein and thickness, giving the soup its satisfying bite. Corn. Brings a subtle sweetness and crunch. Diced tomatoes. Lend acidity and brightness to balance the spices. Taco seasoning. The star of the show. Use store-bought or mix your own with chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, and paprika. Beef or chicken broth. Keeps the soup from becoming too thick while enhancing the savory notes. Each ingredient plays a role, so don't skip any, unless you're making swaps for dietary preferences. More on that later. Step-by-step cooking instructions. Brown the meat in a large pot over medium heat. Break it into crumbles as it cooks. Drain excess fat if needed. Add onions and garlic, stirring until fragrant, about 2 minutes. Stir in taco seasoning, coating the meat evenly. Pour in broth, tomatoes, beans, and corn. Bring to a gentle boil. Reduce heat and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. This lets the flavors meld. Adjust consistency with more broth if the soup thickens too much. Pro tip. Let the soup sit for 10 minutes off the heat before serving. The flavors intensify as it cools slightly. Tips for customizing your taco soup. This recipe is forgiving, so tweak it to match your taste. Swap the protein. Try ground turkey, shredded chicken, or plant-based crumbles. Boost the veggies. Add bell peppers, zucchini, or spinach for extra nutrition. Control the heat. Mild taco seasoning keeps it kid-friendly, or add diced jalapenos for kick. Go vegetarian. Skip the meat and use vegetable broth with extra beans or lentils. Toppings matter. Pile on shredded cheese, avocado, sour cream, or crushed tortilla chips for texture. The best part? Leftovers taste even better the next day. Just store them in the fridge and reheat gently. Why taco soup is a crowd pleaser. Taco soup earns its spot as a fan favorite because it's delicious, easy to make, and works for almost any occasion. It's the kind of meal that feels like a warm hug, comforting, familiar, and always satisfying. Whether you're feeding picky eaters, health-conscious friends, or a hungry crowd, this dish delivers without fail. Versatility for any occasion. Taco soup shines in nearly every setting. Need a quick weeknight dinner? It's ready in 30 minutes. Hosting a potluck? It scales effortlessly for big groups. Game day? Just set out toppings and let everyone customize their bowl. Here's why it fits so many situations. Casual dinners. Minimal effort, maximum flavor, perfect for busy nights. Potlucks and parties. Stays warm in a slow cooker and pairs well with chips, cheese, and other toppings. Meal prep. Stores and reheats beautifully, making it ideal for lunches. It's also highly adaptable. Swap ingredients to fit dietary needs without losing the core appeal. Vegetarian? Use beans and lentils instead of meat. Gluten-free? Stick with corn-based toppings. Low carb? Skip the corn and load up on extra protein. That's the end of part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.